right, my next tip is know your why. What are you talking about, Amelia? What I'm talking about is know your why to becoming vegan. Like, why are you deciding to become vegan? Is it because you're doing it for a challenge? You know, are you doing it for a group you're in, or like maybe your own YouTube platform? Who knows? Or maybe you're just doing it to lose weight, or you're doing it to just try something new. Know your why, because your why will either keep you or hinder you. So I think it's really important just to figure out why you are becoming vegan, and that'll help throughout this process. You know, if you're doing it just to lose weight and that's something you really want to do, go for it. I personally didn't do it because I wanted to lose weight or anything, but know your why. My tip for today when it comes to veganism is just remember your why. Understand why you are making this decision to change this lifestyle, because it is a lifestyle. It's not a diet. Diet kind of has like a negative connotation to it. It is a lifestyle, you know, so just know your why and why you have decided to take this journey, even if it's like a week journey or a month journey or a year journey. But just keeping that in the forefront of your mind will help you stay motivated in the days and weeks to come as you continue to go down this journey of veganism. So I want to encourage you all to just stick with it. It's awesome. It's amazing. And all things are possible when we put our mind to it. So yeah, that's the tip of the day. Know your why as to why you're actually doing this, and it'll help keep you going on this lifestyle. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am Immediately XM. Remember to click that like button on this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you keep watching, you'll know that I always say Happy Life Day. Why? Because every day that we are living is a day to be happy. So I want to remind you all to have a happy life day. And yeah, peace.